Dengar aku, dengar aku, dan musikku lagi menari dan bernyanyi berlagu irama lantikan.
Hi guys, today I'm following my sister to the fishing so we can go together. From now on, we're filming with the camera.
That's great. Anyways, hi. I dress cantik sebab I extra.
We bawa
Kuih pisang.
and
Mami-
with chocolate. The worms.
Apa tu?
The worms.
Apa? Let me see. Ew. I hate worms.
Me too.
Masih kecil, I ada termakan maggots. I mau makan sausage I balik dari Sabah. I mau makan sausage I kan. Lepas tu, I ambil je. Lepas tu, I ternampak maggots.
Oh, I don't like Encanto now.
Yeah.
Boring.
Auntie, I want pasang Blackpink.
Yeah. For the fish to come out.
Untuk kucing.
No, this is for the fish.
Oh, this for the kucing lah.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
It doesn't look so cloudy, but
Don't
macam
be,
cloudy.
don't be raining today.
Don't worry, I rasa not hujan ni. The cloud
we
macam ni.
We want to go fishing.
Kita mau pergi mana ni?
Jalanin.
Bukan yet other way kah?
Ring, ring, ring. Let's go!
It's supposed to be let's go. Nampak double chin I kah?
We need to wear a hat. I'm already ready, right?
Sedapnya. Sedap.
Pisang goreng. Yay.
Thank you, Mami.
Thank you, Mommy.
Lambat. Oh, yo, Eshaal.
Too strong for this. I forgot to wear some gloves from the worms.
I put the worm.
Do I put the worms? Are they dead?
Yeah. I thought you had a fear.
Yes. It's too slippery.
Second show.
Ah. You're toxic kan?
Ooh. Oh, this one's escaping, so that means I take that. Ugh.
Huh? Oh. Good. You must take with our hand.
Ooh.
A beautiful pure white hand.
Oh, dia mau jatuh. Dia mau jatuh. Dia mau jatuh. At least today you will come to me. Hi guys, today we're gonna fishing right here. Look at the pond. Don't drop the camera. Hold it tightly.
Auntie Min,
Wow.
can I change the music?
Look at the worms. It's still alive. This is that worm over here. Oh, it's not that worm.
Shall
so-
we dance? Blackpink. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Touching money. Eshaal dance I sing.
I found a shy
Udah.
plant, kakak. Touch this, kakak. Touch this plant.
No.
Dia tidak gigit pun sih.
Wait, so
Plants are shy, kakak.
Blackpink. Wait, sudah. Hey!
Ready, guys?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, go.
It doesn't work.
It didn't work.
Because I'm macam ni tengok.
Going up.
Boom. Terus tidak. Galvin, you main tarik ini. No need lah you punya necklace lah kakak. Nanti kan sangkut.
Rasakan dekatan?
Ya.
No. Apa tuh?
Apa?
You should feel that.
Ya. What to do? Kasih
Where's
gulung
the
ke mana ini?
butterfly? Wait. Where's the necklace go? Oh yeah. Where is it?
Ayan ka, sekarang. Launching. Pam, pam. Bukan ay.
Tarik. Kasih gulung.
Wait, I don't know kalau. Hey, Auntie, I takut.
Gulung sedikit, gulung. Hop, sudah. Hop.
Wow!
Aren't I just the best?
I punya belum.
I feel happy. First time I catch. Ew! The first time I catch fish. Fish yang sudah mati actually.
Still alive.
I feel bad. Maybe I should let you go in the ocean again.
I'm good at fishing.
I want green water. Where's the fish? Oh.
Help me.
Do you want water, Eshaal? I think it will bring you luck kalau you minum.
Itu fish terlepas.
Oh. Try again.
Eh?
I'm gonna try again, guys. Sweet. And we're gonna throw it.
Not yet.
Okay.
What's the fin? Bagi saya.
Saya yang dapat ni.
Wait, hand it to me. I'm not getting
And
it.
it to me, kamu.
Eshaal.
Here can be a mermaid.
Hey, excuse me, I'm a she.
She is gonna be a mermaid.
Wait, I dengar me.
It's time for eating.
Shall I give kakak?
Okay, fine.
Yeah, fan.
I'm so relaxing. Take your own.
Please.
Okay, fine. Kakak, when I was a mermaid, I will swim there.
That's not possible.
That's possible.
No.
When I was a mermaid, I will swim there and find a fish for my friend.
Aren't mermaids supposed to be friends with fish?
They are. Why fish like Kaka? Why you fell out the ground? Wait, I need chocolate.
13, 14, 15, 16, 17,
Hi guys,
18,
today
19,
I
20,
love to go to
21, 22,
because it's a nice day. The
24,
view is
25,
very
26,
great.
27, 20. I am! Why are you so difficult? What's
That's good. It's a big.
Come here! Stay! Let's go yourself! Heavy.
I'm scared of Kaka's one.
Oh, it's big.
I think it's already ready. It's
This is
not
my
it.
first experience. I already dapat 2 and 1 big. It was big. It's bigger than my foot, actually.
Alah, kecil Bani.
Whatever. Jadi mana ikan you? Exactly, cannot answer.
It's coming. Sabarlah. You have to wait, Eshaal. Have to wait.
Eshaal, how does it feel like to fish?
I feel so angry about your fish
Why?
because it's bad.
It's a fish.
Any fish should be like black,
Oh,
and it can be like poop color,
oh,
and it can be like your armpit color.
oh.
Mainit ka na. This is called bye-bye yamuk.
Bye-bye nyamuk.
Yamuk.
Let me do the advertising. Bali bye-bye nyamuk kat Shopee sekarang. You boleh spray on your hand. Lepas tu guna macam lotion. Wow, terrific, isn't it? And then you can spray around your house. Whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. Totally wasn't me making that sound. It's so magnificent. It even smells great. You can use it as your perfume. So you should get one. Get two. Buy one, free one. Buy now. Kat Shopee RM10.
10 ringgit?
For fishing, and you can use it for outdoor activities. Say bye-bye nyamuk sekarang. It's Bella, baby.
It's Beyshal and Hakim and worms. You are very buruk.
Thank you. Mami, kalau you tengok video ni, Eshaal panggil I buruk. Ah, tu anjing. Hello.
Hello.
You are so very cute. I cannot pet you. I'm very sorry. Serious apologies.
Pigi kat saya.
It's us. Wow, it's your first fish. No. No. Bad dog.
Who's moving up?
No. No.
My really first fish. First fish.
The plastic koyak.
Okay, now. You are gonna taking it for now. I feel like I'm at the massage.
Well, we catched one fish. Let's go home.
Nope.
Okay.
Not yet. Uncle Dean, I wanna let it go because it's not bigger enough. Bye, fishy. Oh my gosh!
Fish on.
Fish on! Can I do it?
Kimchi. Everybody loves kimchi. I dapat 3 ikan.
Tapi fish, ada dog lagi makan.
Mami, I dapat 3. Sis, terus orang ambil. Sorry, cepat. I hold this.
Faster.
Faster, ba?
Oh, look at that! Look at that!
Shal, sikit lagi, ba?
Sorry, fishy.
It's okay, Shal. You can get a bigger one next time.
Yeah.
What is one? You want to keep or throw?
Keep.
It's small.
Oh my gosh, the fish is like, let me go! I only have one over here, but it's okay. I can have another one. I don't have 2 yet.
That's all for today. Bye!
No!
So this is all for today. This is our fishes. Yeah, I got most actually. So that's all for today. That's a wrap. And we're gonna go sambung kat KL tomorrow. Bye! Mwah.
No.
Let's go home.
Let's go.
Shal, come!
Stay! Takut.
Shal, jangan bawa itu bag.
No.
Pakai ini Beyshal. Oh sama saya tuh. Dalam tidak sadar di KL sudah kita berjumpa hari itu dari Sabah. Kali ini terbang pergi sini pula. Mohon maaf juga nih yang sudah sampai sini, kami meneruskan vlog kami. So terima kasih kepada Mitsubishi hari itu karena bawa kami berjalan-jalan di KK hari itu. Jadi di sinilah kita sambung vlog. Kamu jangan kamu jangan lupa untuk subscribe dan juga teruskan layan kami punya vlog. So kami akan share era kami hari-harian kami.
Like, share guys.
So hari ini kami mau pergi open house. Lapar. Mana itu makanan? Mana nasi?
Open house ini apa? Oh, anniversary.
Oh iya kan?
Abang Khairul ni daripada Tunang. Dia dah urus makan, baik orangnya. Projek pun besar-besar guys. Projek besar-besar. So hari ni datang dapat jemputan abang
dia dah jadi kawan lama dah jadi kawan dah lama dah.
Business sukses. Bos selalu rajin turun padang tengok barang semua. Betul ke tak betul? Respect.
Betul. Dia pun dah besar dah. Dia dah besar dah. Salam tu. Ada tempat potong.
Tanya juga atas gelaran yang baru dibuat.
Assalamualaikum semua. Nak ucap sambungan yang baru dan juga anniversary Datuk Khairul dengan Cik Ija ni. Anniversary. So kita doa-doakan yang terbaik semua. Jangan kau
Naik kanyang ni perut. What is that? You drink syrup? Dekat jagung pecah nanti.
This is my friend. Wait, what's her name? Nama dia Putar.
Tapay. Oh, baru 5 menit siram. Besok mau bawa lagi budak-budak jalan. Sudah janji kan? Ustadz buka school. Makan dulu kanyang-kanyang. Besok mau pergi. Nah, tunggu besok.
Semoga wangi terus mengalir sampai ke sini, insyaAllah.